JD, tell me where do we stand with the couple who had the horses? What happened in that case?
Yeah, very interesting case, Isaiah. If you recall, that was one where we got a seizure order for turned out to be 207 horses that were just being horrifically treated and malnourished, starving, and so forth. That was on a tract of 40 acres right here in Conroe. And we've essentially tried that case 3 times over, I believe, a 35-day period, because those cases originate in JP Court, Justice of the Peace Court. And so we had the first hearing or trial to give us the authority to seize, and then we had the full-blown trial, and we prevailed in both of those. But then the owners, husband and wife, the Hoffmans, appealed that case up to County Court at Law Number 2. So we had a third trial, and they moved very quickly by statute. So that's why we had so many trials in such a short period of time. And in the third trial, the court agreed with us and divested the owners of total and complete ownership of those 207 horses. And ownership was given to the Houston SPCA. We do not have a Montgomery County SPCA. So ownership was given to the Houston SPCA. Along with that, the court awarded a judgment of I don't remember the exact number, roughly $485,000 against the owners, because you can imagine the major expense of trying to care for and seize and deal with 207 full-grown horses. Whether anybody will ever collect on that money is another matter, and that's been turned over to the Houston SPCA now. But the latest twist in the case, again, that started in JP Court. We got notice here, I don't remember exactly, roughly, say 6 weeks or so ago, that the attorney that's handling the case for those owners, the Hoffmans, has appealed that case all the way now to the United States Supreme Court. And so we filed our brief in that case last week. Now, cases that any of the Supreme Courts hear, and especially the United States Supreme Court, they have great discretion which cases are going to hear and which they're not. I don't think that they will hear this case, but we don't know that yet. Like I said, we just filed our brief in response to the Hoffman's brief last week.